Hey everybody, welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're playing with the big guns. We've got an exciting new product that we have about to launch, and it's for you Datsun fans. We have a bit of a running joke with the guys that drive the GTRs, and we believe, amongst the circles, that the real GTRs are the 32s, the 33s, the 34s. And you obviously get your R35 fans, or otherwise known as the GTRs. Today we're going to be talking about the big guns, the twin turbo GTR35, and something that we have for that application. It's been a long time in the making, and it's been a 100% success. We've had a couple of hurdles that we had to jump over, and a couple of issues that we had to sort out with the designs and revise them and come back to the drawing board and make some changes and remachine molds and backwards and forwards, and we've managed to overcome all of the issues and put together something that we have on the table here. This here is a direct bolt-on to the R35 GTR. It runs, as you well know, and we are synonymous for, genuine Garrett ball bearing rotating assemblies, one normal rotation, one counter rotation, inside of custom made housings, completely custom stainless steel turbine housings, completely custom aluminium, obviously, compressor housings. Normal rotation, counter rotation, normal rotation, counter rotation, to give you guys a 100% bolt-on replacement without having to modify chassis legs, 1600 horsepower output. Now, yes, the comments are going to go crazy, and I welcome it, because once this is installed onto the vehicle, which is quite a well-known vehicle in this country, and the dyno graphs are being provided or going to be provided, I think those comments will either relax, become completely quiet, or more than likely delete themselves, or somebody would delete them. There's a lot of controversy surrounding this kit. There's a lot of controversy surrounding the GTRs and who the big players are around the world, and only these guys can do a proper job, and only those guys know the GTRs properly, and only those guys have the expertise, etc., etc. We're not interested in the controversy. We're here to bring a well thought out, well designed, a lot of hard work product to the market, which will make 1600 horse utilizing one counter rotation, one normal rotation, genuine Garrett GTX 3582R Gen 2 turbocharger. So here they are. I'm not going to show you the entire kit right now. We still have a couple of components that we need to finish, but what I will show you are the turbochargers. There is a normal rotation, there is a counter rotation turbocharger. So if you have a look at the compressors, you will see counter rotation, and you will see normal rotation. We have redesigned a high flow manifold from stainless steel, and that will bolt obviously onto these turbochargers. We will supply the kit as a complete bolt-on with absolutely everything you need, from the manifolds, turbos, wastegates, downpipes, silicon connector hoses, clamps, fittings, oil feed, oil return, water in, water out, etc. More about that later. For now, we just like to showcase these pieces. They are a success. They fit the geography or the limited real estate you have on these cars. Was a trick, very tricky to get around. We've managed to do it successfully, and we're very proud of it. Have a look at these pictures. Please comment below. Let the games begin. Hope you guys like this one. It's not complete. There will be more videos coming out about this specific application and this kit of ours. I hope you guys like it. Please comment, subscribe. We love all the constructive criticism, and without it, obviously, we wouldn't know where to improve, and obviously what products to start releasing. I hope you guys like it. Have a look at these close-ups. See you next time.